Good day, people. And I'm Aaron. And we another four of my group members, which is Peng Sun, Ziwing, Qingyi, and Shuyi. And I'm going to talk about our TMO for our music video. So for the song that we're going to use for our music video is Fairy Tale, which is a Chinese song sang by Michael Wong from Malaysia. Please enjoy the song. Okay, so that is for our music video. And I'm going to talk about our first scene. The location of our first scene will be in a street. Any street somewhere around in Selangor State. And it will be about a couple holding hands very happily and walking around during the sunset. So that is for our scene number 1. And our scene number 2, one of my teammates, Mr. Peng Sun, is going to talk about it.
Alright. So, okay, this is scene number 3. Okay, we'll show that one boy cooking food, then prepare food for his girlfriend, and shot number 2 will be the boy cycle, right?
Yeah.
Cycle to somewhere to pass the food to his girlfriend. But suddenly, when he reached the location that he wanted to go, he saw his girlfriend was with another guy, and both of them were at one restaurant having lunch together. Yeah, so the next scene I will pass to Aaron Wong to begin. Aaron Wong.
Alright, thank you. So can I have the scene, please? So for the scene for which terrain? And for the scene number 2, there'll be 2 scenes. There'll be 2 scenes under this scene. The first scene is the male main actors, cycling during the rain, just to give the umbrella to his girlfriend. That is for scene number 2. Another scene will be after reaching in somewhere around the roundabout. He was wearing the raincoat, and he gave the umbrella to his girlfriend. So that's for my scene. Okay, so for the scene number 3,
Awkward smile.
the girlfriend doesn't accept his umbrella and left him alone. And at last the girls went into another guy's car and drove off and left the guy standing there very sadly. So for the scene number 4 will be about his girlfriend celebrating the birthday in a house. And for the location, we are going to use our teammate's house, which is Suyi's house. And this scene is about a group of friends which doesn't belong in our groups, celebrating the birthday for Shi Yi. But then suddenly, the boyfriend, the main male actor, came in with a surprise and giving her a cake. But the girl doesn't like it, and she walked off and pushed the guy, and the cake eventually dropped down on the floor. That's for the scene number 3. And for the scene number 4, my teammate is going to talk about it, which is Mr. Beng Sun.
No, I don't should continue on.
Oh, really? Okay. And scene number 4, we will do a brief story about what happened during the time. It's about we will introduce the place. Okay, can you just pause it? So for scene number 4, we will do a brief introducing about what happened during the world. And it's about during the time there is a virus which largely affects all the humans and which turns down the human to zombies. And that's a brief introducing about what is happening during the time. And for the scene number 5, it's talking about a boyfriend holding his girlfriend's hand and running away because they are being chased by the zombies. And scene number 5 also, the guy is opening the lift and trying to go in. And then after entering inside the lift, he closed the lift. But then he realized that the zombie is coming, is about to reach the lift. So that's why the boyfriend decided to push her girlfriend away. His girlfriend, sorry. And the girlfriend was in the shop. That's for the scene number 5. And another part is about the girlfriend was so sad and she thought that the boyfriend doesn't want her.
Okay, so I'll continue another part.
Okay.
So after the boy pushed the girl away, and the girl felt that very disappointed because she thought that the boy want to save, because I want to how to say want to save his own life. So he pushed the girl towards to the zombies to get extra time to how to say escape. So that the scene number 6, 7, 8 is about how sad is the girl, the face expression, the close up . And for scene number 9, the girls the girls huh? Not her . And the girl realized that the zombie was not attacking him or what but attacking she or what . Then the zombie is keep going towards her boyfriend. And then another scene will show that her boyfriend actually cut his hand and was bleeding. So because zombie bleeding but blood zombie will want to the zombie want to suck the blood, so the zombie will not care about the girls, just will go through the boy . So the next thing will be the girl's shock because she realized that her boyfriend loved her so much and did this cut his hand, the blood all come out. Okay, so I think almost there . Our story is some kind of like that . Okay, I think so. Bye bye.
So that's all for our storyboard, and I'm going to talk about the talent. And as you can see, the talent, the main lead actor is me, Wong Yi Jun. Okay, listen properly, it's me. And the main lead actress is Shi Yi. And for the extras, it's Qing Yi, Joyce from FICM as well, and Vincent from S5CM as well. And for the location, we're going to do our shooting at Shi Yi's apartment, which is somewhere around Puchong. And of course, we're going to take some of few scenes somewhere around in our campus, which is around about and the back coffin, the restaurant. And for the side references, for the main lead actor, both of them are going to wear t-shirts with short and long pants, and also slipper, sport shoes, and raincoat. And of course, the reason why we have going to use raincoat is because there are one scene that we're going to take during raining hour, which is somewhere in the roundabout in our campus. So that's why we need a raincoat for the main lead actor. Next, please. And for the main lead actress, she's acting as quite a medium class people. That's why in this MV, she's going to wear a dress, singlet and blouse, short and long pants, and of course high heels and casual shoes. And of course, it's all branded. And of course, for the extras, for the male supporting actor, he is acting as a rich man. So that's why he's going to wear a branded sunglasses and of course a shirt with jacket. And of course, for the zombie, there's one scene that we need a zombie. I mean more than a. And the zombie is going to wear white shirts and long pants because zombie is is something like human. It's not a real ghost, but just that this zombie suck blood. And of course, we need a special makeup for that. And for the prop list, we need a bicycle because one scene in Roundabout is about a main lead actor cycling around. So that's why we need a bicycle and also umbrella because we are going to do a shot during raining time. And of course, bento. Why is bento? The main lead actor is going to cook for the main lead actress. So that's why we need that. And of course, birthday cake. As I told you, there is a scene which talking about the main lead actress celebrating her birthday. And of course, we need blood because zombies love blood. That's why we need blood, okay? And of course, for the shooting schedule, shooting schedule. The shooting schedule is today, which is 1st of May, Wednesday I mean, which happened at 1 p.m. until night time. And of course today, and for the 1st of May, we're going to do a birthday scene and sunset scene and of course cooking scene. Oh, so basically we have 3 scenes during 1st of May. And of course for the 6th of May, which is Monday, from 3 p.m. till night, we're going to do a scene in our campus, which is somewhere in the Roundabout and Beethoven restaurant. And that's all for our presentation. Thank you very much.
Surprise! Okay. MV 做好了，他俩看没有电的，仔哥。你们知道没有电吗？你知道这没有电吗？拍戏拍到叫没有电吗？哇！我跟你们，我在节目 ，Hello， 哎 ，FICM， 出来，nothing to say，快点来
Hi people, I'm Tan Sri by the way.
打咗氣啦
I'm from SICM.
SICM 啊
Sorry, I mean FICM. Currently we are doing an MV video. I tell you, it takes a whole day to shoot just a few scenes.
A whole day?
Yeah, but basically it's kind of annoying lah. You can ask the other side.
Okay, enough. Okay, come on. What's your any comment?
No comments.
No comment. 哎呀，錯。